Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Chelsea Stevens, aka Chelz Chic, and today's video is going to be all about getting to know me with 10 facts about me. Fact number one, I am 25 years old. I will be turning 26 in May. I am a Taurus and my birthday is May 18th. Fact number two, I am from Upper Marlboro, Maryland, right outside of Washington, D.C. And that leads me to fact number three, which is that I currently live in Dallas, Texas. Yes, I wanted a change of scenery. While I love D.C. and I love my hometown, I wanted to see what Southern living was about. Which brings me to fact number four, and that is I am a graduate student. So yes, like I said, I am in Dallas, Texas, and I came here to go to grad school. That was probably one of the best decisions that I have ever made in my life. I actually did this very last minute. I moved within a week. I didn't really know what I was doing. I found an apartment online, came and toured, and moved in 2 days later. So that is probably the most impulsive thing that I have ever done in my life, but it is one of the best things that I have ever done. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing once I graduate in a month, but I will keep you guys updated here on my channel for that. Fact number five is that I am working currently in human resources. I got my undergraduate in broadcast journalism and mass media communications, and now I am studying organizational dynamics and human rights and social justice. That is kind of how I got into HR. I didn't really think that that is what I was going to be doing, but I love it so much, and I don't think that I could have found a better job for me currently in my current position in my life. Fact number six is that I love home design and interior decorating. So one of my favorite shows to watch is Love It or List It on HGTV, and I think that's kind of what sparked my love for interior design. I love to give advice to some family and friends. I love redecorating my apartment. I have done that a couple of times since I have been living here. But that is just one of my loves, one of my hobbies, and hopefully one day I'll be able to turn that into a career. Fact number seven is that I ran track when I was in college. So I did run the 100 and 200 at the University of Missouri. Those are some of the best years of my life. But I do not wish that I was still doing it. So I decided that I wanted to use track to help me further my education. And I love the relationships that I was able to build. I have a lot of lifelong friendships from that. And I love that I was able to travel across the country to see different parts of the country that I probably never would have seen. But I do not still want to run anymore. I think that I am glad that I hung up my spikes. I did not have any pro aspirations, nor was I that great enough to go pro, but it was one of my most memorable experiences in my life, and I would not change it for the world. Fact number eight is that I am obsessed, and I mean obsessed, with travel size products. I don't know what sparked that obsession, but I cannot help but buy travel size things. If it's something that I use a lot, I'm gonna find it in travel size. And if it's something that I've never seen before, I'm gonna try it in travel size. I just think that the packaging is so cute. It's so convenient. It's cheaper, so you can try out different products, and you can also take them with you when you're traveling. Now, I've had a couple of horror stories when I was with TSA, and I have brought things and then had to throw them away. So I think that's where my obsession with travel size products. So if I ever need anything when I'm traveling, I bet you I have it in travel size. Fact number nine is that I love being goofy. I know right now I might not seem like it, but one thing about my personality that most of my friends will tell you is that I am goofy, I am silly, I'm always the one cracking jokes, I'm always the one making weird noises, doing really weird things, dancing in the aisles at the store. That is definitely a part of my personality. I'm so goofy, I love to make people laugh, and I love to crack jokes. That is one thing that my family and I love to do together. We love to make jokes. We love to make fun of each other, but just all in fun and games. So I am one of the goofiest people you'll probably meet, even though I might not seem like it on the outside. And finally, we get to fact number 10, which is my hair. So I cut my hair on an impulse. I was looking on Pinterest one day and I saw a cute haircut, and then the next thing I know, I found a hairdresser the next morning and went and made an appointment and cut my hair all off. I didn't really consult with anybody. I just wanted to do it. I thought it was super cute. I thought it was trendy, and I thought that it would look good on me. And I was about to graduate college like 3 weeks after. So I wanted a change up. I wanted something to signify me getting into adulthood, and I wanted a nice, fresh change, and here it is. I have had this for about 4 years now, and I don't plan on going back. I love it. I think this is my signature look, and I'm just so happy with that impulsive decision. And then I guess we can say fact number 11, just putting it in there, I am very impulsive. I don't know why, but I think that my impulsive decisions are usually becoming my best decisions, like cutting my hair and moving across the country. So at this point, I don't think I'm gonna change it. So that was all about me. I hope these 10 facts helped you get to know me a little bit better. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you back here next time.